Hello everyone. We will see some important points of chapter 4 lines and angles. First we will start with basic definitions. What is a line? A line has no endpoints. A line has no endpoints. Its diagram looks like this. We can put arrow marks on both sides because it has no endpoints. It means I can extend on both the sides. Let us take 2 points. One is P, one is Q. So this can be written like this. Name of the line is PQ with a symbol on its head. So how do we read it? We read it as line PQ. This is the first basic definition. Next we have line segment. Line segment. Segment means it is a part. Segment means a part of line. Segment means a part of line. In the above diagram, we can see if I take only a part of line like this, which has two end points. What are the two end points in the picture? P is one end point, Q is another end point. How do I write it? I write it like this. PQ with a symbol on its head. How do we read it? Read as line segment PQ. Next we have ray. Next definition is ray. A ray has one fixed point only. Diagrammatically, it can be shown like this. This dot represents fixed point. Let us say this point is O and the other side it will not have any fixed point. So I will put arrow mark. It means O is fixed point. The other arrow mark represents it can be extended. Let us say we have a point A here. How do we write it? O A with a symbol on its head like this. Read as ray OA. Next we have collinear points. Collinear points. Collinear points are those points which lie on same line. When we say line, it is a straight line. Let us take a small picture like this and let us mark some points A, B, C, D. Here A, B, C, D are called collinear points because they all lie on the same straight line. Next, we will discuss about angles. How is an angle formed? Let us take two rays like this. One is OA ray, second one is OB ray. I have two rays. One is OA ray, second one is OB ray. Now, if you observe the diagram, OA, OB, both are overlapped. It means they are present one on the other. If I change the diagram little bit, this is my OA ray, this is my OB ray. Now, what can we observe? There is some angle or some rotation which is done. Rotation is done. So here I will say OA is initial ray. OB is terminal ray. OA is initial ray, OB is terminal ray. And this arrow mark, let us say this is theta. This is theta. So between the two rays, initial ray and terminal ray, we will say angle is formed. In the first case, there was no rotation. In the second case, there is rotation. So when two rays are overlapped, there is no angle. When one ray is rotated, angle is formed. Next, we will see types of angles. So, we will take OA ray, which is initial ray, and OB ray, which is terminal ray. Now, what is the angle formed between them? Angle formed between them. Answer is there is no angle formed. We can think of this picture in two ways. One is OA ray and OB ray are overlapped. It means there is no rotation. Otherwise, in second case, I can consider like this. OA ray is fixed, but OB ray is rotated anti-clockwise direction till it comes back to its original position. So here we say full rotation is done. So in first case, no rotation means angle theta is equal to 0 degree. In second case, full rotation means theta is equal to 360 degree. Let us say, take another condition. Let us say we have our initial ray OA is fixed and terminal ray has moved to this position. Now, what is the angle formed between OA and OB? We say here theta is equal to 90 degree. Best example for this is in wall clock, we have 9 here, 12 here. So when we observe the time carefully, minutes hand and hours hand make 90-degree angle. Let us take another condition. Let us say we have OA ray and OB ray like this. Now, if angle is asked between them, we will say theta is equal to 180 degrees. Theta is equal to 180 degrees. Best example for this is in wall clock, we have 6 here, 12 here. Here, minutes hand, hour hand make 180 degrees angle on both sides. 180 degrees on both sides. Let us take another condition. We have initial ray OA and we have terminal ray OB like this. Now we can clearly say angle present between these two is less than 90 degrees. Such angles are called acute angles. Acute angles are those angles which are greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Let us take another condition. I have initial ray like this and terminal ray like this. Here we can clearly see angle present between these two rays is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Angle formed between these two rays is greater than 90, less than 180. Such angles are called obtuse angles. Greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Next we have let us say this is our initial ray, this is our final ray. If angle which is formed around the two rays is asked, this angle will be greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. This angle is called reflex angle. Hope you have understood. Thank you.